Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to answer another series of questions that I got regularly, and I never really came around to answering it, and I thought after having it again today that I should probably talk about it because I make videos about tech, I make videos about Windows, I help you guys out, I do a lot of things that for a lot of people, that must mean that what I have installed as software must be something that maybe everybody needs. And I often tell everyone that, you know, being a Windows minimalist, meaning having the least amount of software installed, is the best way to have a PC that's smooth and that runs well because you don't need extra fluff that is useless. That's one of the main reasons why I run with the Windows Security app, which is enough because that's not what's protecting you. I always say it. What's protecting you is updates and what you do. But of course, being in this position for a lot of people, I must have important software that everybody should have. And here's the thing is that a lot of you see the software that I have and see icons. You might even see a desktop and say, well, you know what? Maybe I need that. What's that icon? What's this icon? Well, thing is this PC is used for multiple things. And the software I have installed is based upon my work and also my hobbies and my fun. So this is a gaming laptop. I will have games, of course. But there's a lot of the stuff that I have installed in here that are really due to the fact I am an amateur radio operator, radio listener, shortwave radio listener. So a lot of the things I will have installed will have to do with amateur radio and things like that and games. So that's why I don't really go through any of the listings of the apps that I have because you don't need to have that installed and you don't need to have things that aren't necessary. And most, I think most of the people think that maybe I have, cleaners and optimizers of all sorts. And I'll say it again and again and again. You have to stay away from all of these things. You do not need cleaners and optimizers in Windows. CCleaner, I'll say it again and again, is a piece of software you should stay away from and never have. It does not do a good job at anything. That is the case. It's simply put, Windows does not need a cleanup, does not need to be tweaked, does not need to be changed. It works fine the way it is. But these software companies are, of course, out there trying to make you think that, oh, you need this is going to be good. No, you don't. There's no such thing as cleaning the registry. The registry, okay, what these software do is so minimal that it doesn't change anything. You cannot really intensely tweak the registry. You'll crash your PC. So that's why I don't talk about the software I have because it is purely for either video purposes here or for my work or, I do write articles also and for my amateur radio, my pleasure of playing games and so on. So that's really what it is. So that's why I don't really, talk about a software or, recommend any software in general because the software that I have is, the minimal that I have for what I do with my PC, basically. So that's all the icons. It's really, for most of you, they're pretty much useless. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.